So what's good, you guys? It's your boy Nabari back again with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my YouTube videos. Let's go to my office, man. Alright, welcome to my office. Well, my bedroom. So first we're gonna start off by talking about what gear I use, what camera I use to shoot my videos. My main setup that I use for videos like this or for client work is the Sony a7 III with the Rode Video Micro. The reason why I chose this camera in the first place was because of the autofocus, the low light capabilities, the battery life, and the video quality, man. It's A1. If I'm the main one that's filming the video, I bring out this camera. I don't trust too many people with my camera because this is an expensive camera. So the only person I actually trust with it is my wife. But other than that, I'm the only one that's touching it. So if we're doing a lot of moving around and stuff, I just bring my Panasonic G85. This camera is lightweight and it also has a flip out screen. This is the main camera that I use for my Underdog Dream vlogs. This is the main one I'm vlogging with. When I'm walking around and stuff, this is the camera that I'm using. And the tripod that I use is the Joby Gorilla Pod. So now that we got the gear part down, let's talk about what I use to edit the videos. When I first got into YouTube, I was using Windows Movie Maker. I think that's what it was called. Then I moved on to iMovie, Final Cut Pro, Sony Vegas. For the past year, I've been using Adobe Premiere Pro because it's like one of the most professional ones there. But last week, I want to say 2 weeks ago, I started using DaVinci Resolve, and I'm starting to like it. From my experience, it's easy to color grade in that one. When I would try to color grade in Adobe Premiere Pro, it will lag. But when I color grade in DaVinci Resolve, it shows like right away. So I know exactly what I'm doing. I don't have to wait. Yeah, so I just got to practice more in DaVinci Resolve. And it's free, so that's a plus. You don't have to pay anything unless you want to get the full version of it, which is like, I want to say $300. So these are my two monitors. The one over here, this is the one that I use to edit on. And this one right here, this is where I do all my gaming stuff for my gaming channel. Got a little webcam over there too. So pretty much that sums up how I make my YouTube videos. If you guys are a content creator, you guys let me know what you use to make your YouTube videos, what gear you use and stuff. And you guys let me know if you like my little setup. Guys, smash that like button on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Subscribe to the other YouTube channel. The links will be in the description down below or on the end screen. And I appreciate it. That's the video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And I'm going to catch you guys next video.